In this tutorial, we're gonna make this cool abstract design. So let's open our into Blender and let's get started. So first delete everything. Let's add a torus. Rotate it on x-axis by 90. Go to front view. Shade smooth and press Ctrl 2 to give two subdivisions. Here you can see in the modifiers, there are two subdivisions. Now let's duplicate it. And if you scale it here, you can see it's intersecting with this one. So go to edit mode. Press Alt S to scale it like this. Give the world color to pure black, and I'm rendering it in cycles. Now let's go to shading tab. Let's give it a new material. Give the color to white. Decrease the roughness and increase the transmission. Now it will be a glass material. Now let's add camera. Grab it on y-axis, keep it here. Let's move it a little bit here. And now let's go to render view. We need to add a light. Let's add an area light. Rotate it on x-axis by 90. Grab it on y-axis. And let's increase the strength to 150. Okay, this is nice. Now let's go to shading tab again. Let's hide this one and select this inner ring and assign a new material. Let's add a noise texture, the color to the base color. Press Ctrl T to add a mapping node and texture coordinate node and object to the vector. Now let's add a color ramp. Okay, I want this to be a blue color. It's your wish. You can give any color you want. I want this like this. Okay, let's slide it here. Okay, this is nice. Now go to render view and let's see how it looks. Let's unhide it. Okay, this is looking nice. You can see this ring here, it's the reflection of this light. So select this area light. If you decrease the size, you can see the minimum reflections. Okay, let's make it 0 and let's increase a little bit. Okay, this is nice. And let's increase the strength here. Let's increase the power here like 500. Okay, this is looking nice. Now let's grab it here, duplicate it, duplicate again. Press Alt G to clear the location, Alt R to clear the rotation. Grab it on Z axis. Okay, this is looking nice. Now let's add an UV sphere. Scale it down. Okay. Shade smooth. Press Ctrl 2 to give two subdivisions. Now let's go to shading tab. Assign a new material. Let's delete this principal BSDF and let's add an emission. Increase the strength to 20. And let's give a noise texture. Color to the color. Press Ctrl T to give a mapping node and texture coordinate node. Now let's add an color ramp. I want this to be a red color, reddish orange, like this, and slide it here. Okay, I want some play with your noise texture. Okay, this is nice. Okay, now select this one and give it a red color, and select this another light and give it a blue color. Play with your lights. Now let's render it out and let's see how it looks. Okay, this is nice, but you can see in Eevee there will be a bloom effect. So if you turn on bloom, there will be a bloom on this emission. If you want this bloom effect in cycles, then you need to go to composite tab, use nodes. Let's add a viewer node, and let's add a glare. See how it glows. So you can play with this one. Ghost means it will be like this. Streaks, fog glow. I want this to be a fog glow. Medium, high, and increase the size to 9. Okay, this is nice. Now connect this image to the image in the composite tab. Now let's render it out and let's see how it looks.